Let's learn how you can add extra security on your RedNote account. So let us start by opening our RedNote application. Here you will have to go to settings. You will do that by clicking on horizontal lines in top left corner, then go to settings on this gear icon, and then click on security account security. Now here you will see a few options that you can choose. Make sure you have linked some of this WeChat or Apple and have your mobile number added also as password. Now one thing you can add also is a real name verification. That will make a good account security for your account. Now when you tap on here, it will be on Chinese, but we can go and just translate it. So I took a screenshot of it. Now we can select and copy everything here and just go on translate. As you can see here, you need to add your identification card, real name and ID number. Down there you have to check on I have understand and on agreement and just click here. That will lead you to face recognition. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.